Welcome to I Serena.
I'm Jessica.
And I'm Serena.
And this is
I Serena.
So today on I Serena,
We're going to be going out for lunch again.
woo!
So we're going to be going to our favorite restaurant.
Baja's Chicken House.
So let's go. Oh, we're here.
What's here? Oh, nice music.
So what are we going to be getting?
I don't know.
Hello, welcome to Baja's Chicken House. How may I help you? Would you like to buy the Tuesday special curry and salad?
No thank you. I think we'll get a chicken sandwich
Oh, yummy.
With a Gatorade.
and ham.
Oh, that's good stuff. Okay,
Oh yeah, and a not cut onion.
okay. I will provide that for you.
Thank you. Okay, well, I think we ordered, so let's go.
Oh my god.
hello, my favorite customers.
Oh, Baja!
My 1000th customer.
Woo!
Okay, hello. You ordered the onion and other stuff, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, one second, please. Oh, perfect ham for you, my lady. Okay, here you go. Here's your food right now.
Oh,
There's
wow.
more coming, okay?
Thank you, Baja.
Oh, sorry.
What was your special again?
It was curry with a salad.
Oh, yum.
Would you like to have it?
Maybe we'll take that.
Okay, you can have that. Okay, one second. Let me just make it up for you. Smell the curry. Oh, yum, yum.
Ooh.
And your food for you, madam.
Ooh.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
that's okay, Baja.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that
And
all?
how much will that be?
$32.53.
You have that money?
No, I don't.
I have some change. Hold on, let me just
Whatever
see.
you have for my favorite customers, you are the 1,000.
Okay.
Do. Yeah. Okay, thank
Is
you.
that your favorite song of some sort?
Yes, I like it. Oh no, you.
We dropped a.
Oh, this is fine. Okay, put it on your tab. Thank you for shopping at Baja Chicken. Come again. Wednesdays are better specials with more curry. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow, we got lots of food.
We got some water, which is
We got some ham.
onion.
Well, thanks for watching Ask Anybody. That's all we have for today.
Yep.
Thank you, and
Come again.
you. Please come again.